Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Tony Plays The Binding of Isaac. Hope everyone's doing good. Everyone's chilling, enjoying their day nice and lovely style, you know how it is. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm doing me. I guess that's what I could say. I'm just kind of, what's the word I'm thinking of? I don't want to say enjoying life. I'm more so just living it. Not that there's anything bad going on where I'm not enjoying life. Just right now, I don't know. I woke up and got me some breakfast, just kind of chilling. You know how it is. Thought I'd record some Isaac early morning before I had to go today. Gotta go, fix up a friend, not fix up, but make a friend's PC, I guess. I think I've said it before. I'm pretty sure I have said it before. Or at least last episode. I will say, man, oh, I hate it. Tony, what do you hate? I went to bed last night, it was 81 degrees, bro, you know? It's just like, damn, man, you know? They got me living in hell. It's horrible, bro. 81 degrees at night in the pitch of black, bro, in the pitch of darkness. Under the cover of night, one might say, dude, and it is 81. Ugh. I had me some good sleep though, you know. I was talking so much about it yesterday's recording. It felt good. I'm gonna be so real with you. Going to sleep, waking up, and looking at the clock and being like, damn, I still got time. It felt good, bro. It's just like a little liberating, you know what I mean? It's a little freeing to wake up and realize, hey, I don't got things to do. Or at least not for a bit. You know, they should make like they should add, I know it's gonna be crazy and I don't know how the logistics of this would work for the week or whatever, but honestly, man, you know how people are like, they should add a 3-day, or they should have like a 4-day work week, you know? Where it's like either A, you work 10 hours every day to get your full 40. I'm gonna be real with you, don't agree with that. Or maybe, I don't know if anyone's proposed this, I'm just saying, you know, I'm not necessarily saying people have this thought or whatever, but instead of making it an 8-hour work day for 5 days a week, you could do like, what? I'm trying to math out. Here, my apologies. It's lost on me for a bit. I'm a little dumb, I can't lie. But you know, just like work an extra day and make it some less, you know? You feel me? I don't think anyone's ever proposed that. More so, what's the word I'm thinking of? I don't know. I can't, it's not coming to me. It's not coming to me. My apologies. But what I'm trying to say here, you might be thinking, Tony, what are you talking about? All in all, what I'm trying to say essentially is, instead of doing a 4-day work week for 10-hour shifts, go ahead, keep your 40-hour work week. Just add an extra day, bro. You feel me? Might be crazy, I know. Might be thinking, Tony, that's not how it works. I don't care. Just give me an extra day, man. Just make up a new day, throw it at the end, give me 3-day work weekends. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be so real with y'all. Just to clarify this, I feel very sorry, very bad for the fact that I know it's the way establishments work, you know, with establishments being open all the time, even on weekends. I don't know if there's like a way I work around here, but I feel bad and I feel sorry and I wish just things weren't so horrible for my individuals who don't have 2 consecutive days off. You know what I mean? The individuals that don't have 2 consecutive days off, I just gotta say, I'm so sorry. It makes planning anything, one, one of the most difficult things like ever created, concepted by man. Literally have a friend that has like that kind of schedule, so it's like, hey man, you want to hang out on like this Saturday? Oh, hold on, I'm not off that Saturday. What about this next Saturday? And it's like, brother, you know, not his fault, obviously, not his fault at all. But it's like you gotta push any normal weekend activity back like 3 Saturdays. You could be thinking, Tony, just do it on a Sunday. No one wants to do anything on a Sunday, man. Me included. I'm not complaining. It's like, oh, my friends never want to hang out on Sunday. No, it's my friends. I don't want to do anything on Sunday. You know what I mean? Sunday is the Lord's day or whatever. Just relax, bro. Just let me rot in bed on a Sunday. You feel me? It's just like, man, I cannot co-sign. What's the word I'm thinking of? Like, just like hanging out on a Sunday. Because by the time the hangout reaches, like, say you hang out midday or whatever, you're like, oh, let me go over to your place at 1. By the time it rolls around to 5, you're like, man, I gotta go home, you know. Got work tomorrow. I gotta go home so I can like chill out in bed and think about life and my life decisions and stuff before 7 o'clock rolls around. Then it kicks into overdrive where it's like, all right, I'll just do whatever free thoughts I have until 9, 10 kicks around. And then at that point, it's just like, all right, time to go to bed, you know, time to eventually go to bed so I can go to work in the morning and make the man, you know, his money or whatever. It's criminal. It's criminal, bro, you know? And as someone might be thinking, Tony, you know, it's kind of patronizing or whatever. Maybe not. Maybe you're not thinking that. I'm just throwing straw mans out there for the sake of the conversation. But, man, let me tell you, as someone who used to live that, bro, I had not jumper cables. I had this funky item. As someone who used to, what's it called, live that life, you know what I mean? I used to work a job where it wasn't Monday through Friday. You know, I actually had like every other I had Saturdays off, but I had like every other Sunday on and off, you know what I mean? So my schedule would be like, I work Monday, maybe I'm off Tuesday, or I'm off a random day of the week. I'm there, guaranteed days, 100% were like Thursdays at least. Thursdays and Fridays, I'm pretty sure I always worked. But yeah, just I don't know, man. You know what I mean? Ew, I have like analog stick. It's weird. It's unfortunate, unsightly, dare I say. But it's just like, you know, man, I've been a victim. I've been a victim of the non-consecutive days off, like, work week deal. It's unfortunate. It's horrible, man. Because a part of me is like, literally, honestly, it's horrible to not have those 2 days because every day feels like your Sunday. I'm not even joking, you know what I mean? And trust me, I would love those times when I didn't have the unfortunate circumstance of having to work on the weekend, you feel me? Say it was, because I guaranteed had Saturdays off. Say those times where it was every other Sunday, I actually got to enjoy my weekend nice and fine, you know? Otherwise, if it was like, oh, Saturday I'm hanging out with my friends, Sunday I gotta go back to work, honestly, I'm just not hanging out. You feel me? Sounds crazy, I know, but it's the truth. I'm not gonna lie. At that point, I'm just not hanging out. I'm gonna be real. It's criminal. It's criminal what they do to us. Believe me, I sympathize. I sympathize. You are seen, you are heard, brother. Have mercy on my soul. Ooh, weave. There you go. It's criminal, man. It's just bad. It's just bad. Oh, the Verp the tears down, bro. That's such a goated plan. Thank you, game. There we go. I don't know, bro. It's just like it's criminal. My fault. OG. How did I get onto this topic? I'm gonna be so rude with you. I don't even remember. Where did this like I'm sorry for my fellow American rule come from? I was talking about days off or something. You know, whatever, something like that. It's just, oh yeah, I remember. Just give us an extra day off, man. You know what I mean? Just make up a new day. I don't even care. I have Isaac's Heart and Blood Puppy. I think this might be the worst lineup I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna be so real with you. I have made runs with Isaac's Heart work. You guys might be some of the only people to be a witness to that. I don't think Isaac's Heart is a horrible item, not by any means. I'm gonna be so real with you. It's a funky item is what it is, you know? It's interesting, it's a little quirky. But I don't think it's like horrible, you know? I don't think it's the worst thing ever created. But it's kind of bad slash mid. But I've made it work before. Honestly, genuinely, I have made Isaac's Heart work in runs before, man. I'm not even joking. The only thing I'm worried about though is that Blood Puppy will target the heart. You know what I mean? That's just to say, what if I just, you know, what if I just straight up get hit before that? I don't know, maybe. We're gonna have to wait and see. Pops up there. Hate this guy. This is just bad. That's not even good. That was actually horrible. Actually demonic pull from the, what's it called? My apologies. But just, I don't know, man. Just give us an extra work day or something. Work day? No. Give us an extra day off. Just invent a new day. I know it would throw out of whack so many calendars and like schedules people got. I'm well aware. But honestly, just for the sake of keeping the sanity. Keeping the sanity of the people alive, bro. Just invent like Fortnite Day or something, you know? And don't call it Fortnite Day, but just, you understand the concept of what I mean, right? Just tack on an extra day past Sunday that we have to take into account, so I can relax one extra day of the week. You know what I mean? Or not, or just, you know, up. What's it called? What's the word I'm thinking of? Nah, I shan't even say it lest I be marked as some kind of crazy, what's the word I'm thinking of? What's the word I'm thinking of, man? I shan't say it lest I be marked as some sort of crazy radicalist. That's what it is, you know? You know, just like pay people a fair livable wage or whatever. And then, I don't know, like shorten like the work week or something. Not even a lie, just a little bit. Have mercy on my soul. Have mercy on my soul. Cause yeah, I'm gonna be so real with you. You know, I might be thinking, Tony, where did this come from? You know, I'm gonna be so real with y'all. Same thing that like happened in school or whatever. But back in my day, Unk status, you know, Tony is, oh God, I hit the Windows key and it brought up that. Tony reaching unk status here, but like low key, bro, back in my day type of stuff. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I absolutely positively hated going to school for 8 hours or 7 hours, whatever, however long it was. Why? I'm gonna be real with you, man. It was just bad, bro. It sucked. Cause I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like the early morning classes, the early period classes, I'll be fine in, you know, I'm fine with that. As soon as we start pivoting towards any class beyond, like, what's the word I'm thinking of, man? As soon as you start pivoting to any class beyond, hello, it didn't, like, win this room? My damage is actually horrible. What's wrong with me? As soon as we pass, like, the lunchtime period, you know, like 5th period or whatever, maybe. Nah, not 5th. I got it short. I definitely got it short, 100%. As soon as you pass like 4th period, you know, as soon as you pass 4th period or whatever, bro, I'm done. I'm tapped out, low key, you know. It's too much for my little baby brain, and I'm tapped out, and I'm just like, you know what, man? Sure, whatever you say, bro. I'm gonna be so real with you. I'm just like, at that point, bro, sure, whatever you say, man. I'm totally listening and paying attention in class. No, I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind and I don't know what's going on. How have we gotten Isaac's heart back? Like, what circumstances have led to me somehow getting away from and then regaining Isaac's heart? What actually happened? It's so crazy. What hit me? Bob's brain, man. Bob's brain, his dome. Bob's little domer. Have mercy on muscle. I think I'm actually really bad with Tainted Eden. Yeah. I think I just hate Tainted Eden. Honestly, I don't think we're ever seeing a run as cracked slash goated as yesterday's Tainted Eden run on, what's it called, bro? It was genuinely crazy. If y'all, I'm not even joking, if y'all haven't seen yesterday's Tainted Eden run, you need to check it out, bro. It's unironically next level demon time. I managed to pull out the most crazy part of the run ever. I had Pop and I had Godhead with Polyphemus. I was doing 30 damage, and with Pop, your tears stay out like this. If you have Godhead, your tears have like a damaging aura. I was literally just covering the field in landmines, bro. And there was no downside to any of it. Everything just died. It was, unironically, I'm not even joking when I say this, might be one of the greatest runs I have ever had. Like, and it was for a brief moment, you know? Only for a brief moment did I get to experience such greatness, dare I say. You know, hold on, give me a second. You get a water. That was pretty dry. Be right back. My apologies, y'all. I think water gotta be like top 3. No. Top 1. Water's so goated, bro. Like, I know it's like, Tony, what are you talking about? Because, I mean, who says that? Who's like, man, water's so goated? Like, what are we doing here? But I'm being so for real. Water is genuinely peak, man. Like, genuinely, it's like top 1 Bev all time. And the one reason I feel like I'm saying this like this though is because a couple friends of mine don't share the same sentiment. And it's a little unfortunate, in my opinion. IMO, you know, I'm gonna be so real. A little unfortunate they don't share the same sentiment, because I think it is genuinely peak. This item, I know someone out there is probably gonna be like, Tony, you just don't understand the item. It's really good. It's genuinely peak. It lets you do crazy things, you know, free invincibility essentially. Like, I know it's really good, you know. I'm well aware of how good this item could be. However, to me, to anyone that might have used it before, I mean, I'm gonna be real with you. I guarantee you there's at least a couple other individuals out there that treat Breath of Life as potentially one of the worst items in the game. I think it might be the worst. I'm not even joking. You know what's crazy is I'm not even joking when I say it, too. You guys might think I'm joking. No, I'm being so genuine. Look, what happened? I have Genesis and I want to use it. Yeah, let's use it. Why not? Oh my god, man, what's the point? It's useless. This is genuinely one of the greatest items that I could have, and they drop it at this point in time. Oh my god, I can't grab Birthright, you know? I cannot in good conscience grab Birthright because there's no point. I'd be thinking, Tony, you should have grabbed Birthright. That was the only correct move. No, it literally wasn't. Any item obtained before Birthright gets to be, you know, we get to keep it. A brother in Christ, what did we have? You know? What did we have before Birthright? Nothing. That's why it's garbage. Just grab BFFs, why not? Grab Cricket's head. Don't call me crazy. Trysagion's good. We already have piercing, so let's just grab the health, even though it's like kind of useless. Grab the tears up. I want to take it for the damage, like I really do. But if, you know, yeah, let's take it for the damage. Why not? Ugh, man, I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be real with you. Oh, okay. Oh, is our run cooked? I need to go to Hush then. I need to do Hush. I didn't think Genesis would take me to the next floor. Am I dumb? Am I dumb for thinking that? Why did it do this? Why did it do that? It shouldn't do that, right? I'm not tripping, right? Guys. Dude, this is such a good run too, man. Why did Birthright have to spawn there? Bro, that's so bad. That's actually so bad, dude. That's demonic playtime, bro. I think that's like that's another gacha game, but it's for Dragon Ball. I haven't played. I think it's not fighters. What's the Dragon Ball game on mobile? Dokkan? It's Dokkan, I'm pretty sure. It's a card, it just says demonic playtime, and it's Broly. Z Broly too. If you know Z Broly, then you know it's even worse. To be having an item named demonic playtime after, bro. There you go. Ooh, I knew it was over. I knew it was over, man. I knew it was over, bro. As soon as I saw that stray tear, I'm like, I'm done for. I'm done for. I lost. And yeah, I did. That sucks. Compound Fracture's not bad. It's pretty good, actually. Like, really good. Whatever. Whatever, man. Why did I pop that? I'm just sad. Tainted Eden runs, I think, I'm not even joking, they gotta be some of the most depressing runs you can find in Isaac. That's not even a lie, you know? Like, you can't even deny it. You can't deny me this. It's just true. You'll have yourself a really good run. A stray tear will hit you, you know, what happened earlier. And then it's just over, you know what I mean? Like, the run is genuinely just over now. Once that happens. This is a bad boss. I could say that, right? Yeah, this is a horrible boss. Not even bad. Genuinely garbage. Have mercy on my soul. Like, what is this? What's happening? Okay, I'm gonna be so real with you. I was about to freak out because I thought I was the Lost. I thought I became the Lost and I was genuinely going to crash out. Like, what did they do to me, bro? They ruined me. But no, I am not the Lost. I have flight is what it is. Whatever, man. I don't even care anymore, bro. I do not even care. We will be fine, I hope. There you go, man. It's the only way to make this work. Okay, alright, my apologies, y'all. I got a little caught off guard with hating on such a bad character for a little bit there. I feel like I definitely was losing track of whatever I was saying or just yapping about for a bit there. I don't know, water's good. Some of my friends don't seem to think the same, which honestly baffles me. I'm gonna be so real with you. Because it's kind of like, if you don't mess with water, then what do you mess with, bro? You know, water, like, be like, water's boring. It's like, man, it's our life force, bro. It's what gives us, it's what makes us human, unironically. You know? Also on his Master Chief shit. Water is like just peak. It's a peak bev. It somehow refreshes you and like gives you like life, nourishment, you know what I mean? On a hot day, I gotta like mix it a little different. I'm gonna be so real with y'all. There are people out there that's like, oh, I like my water iced or whatever. Like, if I go to a restaurant, they're always gonna give me water with ice in it, but I'm gonna be so real with you. At home, at least, I try to avoid iced water as much as humanly possible. It's unironically, this might sound like, oh, Tony, you're a bitch. It's just too cold. It's too cold for me. I hate like cold, freezing water. I'm gonna be real. If I am drinking water, I put one water bottle, because like I said, my parents get water bottles. I put one water bottle in the fridge, I let it get cold, and then as soon as it becomes cold, I get another water bottle and I mix them both into like my like for real water bottle, you know, like the metal one. I mix one room temp water, one like freezing cold water. It makes it just the perfect temp to where I can actually enjoy water. It's gonna be refreshing, it's gonna be nice, you know, I'm not gonna be freezing my teeth. Oh, I'm dead. I'm unironically dead. I knew it. Oh no, this character sucks. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy, I greatly appreciate it. Hope you guys have a good day and or good night, depending on the time you're viewing this. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.